Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a haul video. It's a very teeny tiny haul, so let's get right into it, shall we? So I picked up a few things, but also I did get a few things from my good friend from her birthday, my friend Diane. Hey Diane. So let's get right into it. So this is from Ulta, really good stuff. Let's share what my friend got me first, my girlfriend. So she got me the Mara Badescu skincare facial spray. This is the one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. It's just that I haven't purchased it in a while at all. Like, I haven't gone to shop for makeup in store. I've been really shopping online and, you know, reading people's reviews and such. Then I purchased. This has always been on my list and I had never gone out to get one. So yeah, now I have it and I really am excited to try this out. So this is all skin types. It's a mist to give you cooling sensation as well as kind of like a Fix Plus from MAC type of deal. So I'm excited to use that. She also picked up 2 highlighters for me, which I'm really excited about. That's basically what she got me. So this is the Revolution Makeup Strobe Highlighter. This one is called Gold Addict and it's an illuminator. And I swatched both already. They're really pretty. I haven't used on the face, so I'm like been waiting to share with you guys how it looks first before I use on my face. This one is the Gold Addict. I love the texture and I love how it has this design on it. Really pretty. And it has like no crumbly feel. It's really smooth and creamy. I'm really excited to use this. This is really pretty. The other color she got me is, this is the Vivid Baked Highlighter, so it's a different design as well. This one is called Golden Lights. Really pretty design as well. Looks like a seashell and I think it's gorgeous. This one's a little more pigmented. Maybe that's why it's called Vivid. And this one's like, wow, like beaming in your face. Sorry for the noise, there's construction nearby again. But really pretty. Great for me because I'm super pale. The other one would be great too, but I'm about to like put on a lot of contour and bronzer to balance that out, or it's gonna look kind of funky on me. But it'll be both of them would be beautiful for like eyeshadow for sure. I'll be using those. Really excited. I finally gave in and got the Jaclyn Hill palette, right? Since everyone and their mama has one, I'm like, fine, I'll go out and get one. I know I made a video of her old palette. I just thought I'd get one to add to my collection since, you know, I like to collect makeup anyway. I haven't touched a single shadow yet, so I'll create some looks with this guy too. Really pretty. I do appreciate that Ulta always had that $3.50 coupon off. People who are members with them. So I appreciate that. I did get to use that $3.50 off of this purchase that I got for myself. I did finally purchase the Bubs Beauty BH Cosmetics palette. I love watching Lindy and her family. Her family is so cute and beautiful. She's so funny. I'm so happy that she has a daughter too now. Good for her. I just want to support any YouTubers I feel like they really need more. Like the OGs, I feel like I like to support more because I've been watching them for so long. So these are the colors for her palette. Sorry, it's upside down, but I don't want to flash you with a mirror. Really pretty colors. Can't wait to use it. It'll be great for travel. And I love that her names are very inspirational, like inspired, optimistic, charismatic, confident, kind. And it says right here, be whatever you want to be. Love, Bubby, which I think is really sweet. Super lightweight, easy to carry. Last but not least, what I picked up from Ulta is the Shan XO, but the remix palette. Because I don't use lips that often. I know that her original one has a lip side too, which I most likely would not use. I know myself. So I got the one that's the remix, which is basically all eyeshadow. So here is one side. I'm gonna block the mirror again, it's gonna be upside down. And I already used this palette in a tutorial. If you guys seen it, I'll link it right over here in the bubble so you can see me use this palette in action. Is the other side. Beautiful colors, very wearable. I would say it's like great for all skin. It's just amazing the combo she came up with. I really dig this avocado color. It really reminds me of that one MAC color. If you look closely, it has a nice sheen, like a space type of color. Really, really pretty. I love that color the most. I haven't used it yet. It's so pretty. But I can't wait to use that palette. I did pick up this. I found this great steal at TJ Maxx. So this one is the Alginus Splash Hydrating Mist, Setting Mist. I didn't know they came out with a setting mist. And I saw this when I was like in the checkout aisle. So I went to HomeGoods / TJ Maxx all in one. And I was in line and I saw this. And I was like, what is this? And I looked it up on Sephora. It's still on the website. And this thing costs about $35, I believe, on Sephora.com. And I got it for 15 bucks, $14.99. I thought that was a steal because basically half price of the original price. And I already tried it once and it feels really good. And I want to say it didn't disturb my makeup at all. Smells really nice and it gave that nice hydration. Especially right now, my cheeks are a little dry. I feel like it's from the winter. And since my winter is lasting so long over here in the Bay Area, sorry, it's so nice. It's like, it smells, how do I explain, like a spa in a bottle. It smells so pretty and not overbearing, and it just feels really good on the skin, and it's like a mist. When they say it's a mist, it's really a mist. Versus a setting spray, it tends to be like a spray, and it kind of hits you in the face. You're like, whoa. But this doesn't do that, and I love it. I should have purchased more. Next time, if I see any more, I'll get it. But if you guys see any of these at TJ Maxx, your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls, pick it up. And that's the Alginus Splash Hydrating Setting Mist. And that completes my haul. It's very simple, tiny, not that much. Like I said, I'm trying to use as much of the things I have already, but these are the things that I don't have. So, you know, I purchased it, and I'm really happy about these highlighters my friend got me. I'm so excited for using these. Can't wait for my next tutorial to use these guys. So yeah, and if you guys want to see this tutorial, it will be up soon. I want to say probably the week after this video goes up. So mark your calendars if you want to see how I achieve this look. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy it and be safe. Bye. Let this be our final song.